Okay, so we pressed our garlic with the garlic press, and we cut off the edge with the knife. We scrape out a bit more with a knife from the inside, but then we're left with the holes blocked with garlic, with all the cleaning jobs in the kitchen. It's just one of those little irritating ones. If you put that in the dishwasher doesn't touch the garlic. It comes out with the garlic still in place. So what's the trick? Well, the trick is to use an old toothbrush. Press a potato through, or bread, but then you just get bits of potato in there as well. Or you can poke with a cocktail stick or something. Yeah, so an old toothbrush, really that's the best way. And let's have a look, see if that's done the job. Yes, it's perfectly clean.